In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a subscription on Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to enable, and how to save your settings so customers can subscribe to a product with confidence. Start by signing in to your Squarespace site and opening the Commerce area. From your site dashboard, head into Products and Services, then choose Products. This brings up your product list. Pick the item you want to offer as a subscription. If you sell both physical items and services, make sure you're editing the correct product type for your use case. Click the product to open it, then select Edit to enter the product editor. Before turning on subscriptions, review your core product details. Confirm the title, description, and images look accurate and compelling. Check the price field so your subscription reflects the right cost, and decide whether you want to mark it on sale, since that affects how pricing appears on the storefront. If you track inventory, glance at stock to ensure you have enough units to fulfill recurring orders. If you need an additional variant or option, use Add where appropriate. Now let's activate the subscription. In the product editor, locate the subscription section. Open it to reveal the controls for recurring purchases. Enable subscriptions for this product, then choose your billing cadence. Set the quantity or frequency value, such as 1, and select the interval that best fits your offer, like weekly or monthly, depending on how you plan to deliver. Keep your customer experience in mind here. Align the billing schedule with your fulfillment schedule to reduce refunds and support requests. Next, decide how long the subscription should run. Choose Never Expires if you want it to renew until the customer cancels. This is the most common setup for ongoing memberships or replenishment products. When your subscription preferences are set, click Apply to confirm those changes within the product editor. Take a moment to double-check everything on the page: pricing, sales status, stock, and the subscription settings you just configured. When you're satisfied, click Save to publish your updates. Your product now supports recurring purchases, and customers will see the subscription option at checkout based on the schedule you set. A quick tip before you wrap up: preview your storefront and run a test transaction in a safe environment to confirm the subscription displays and calculates correctly. Also, clearly communicate renewal timing, shipping expectations for physical goods, and cancellation terms on the product page to build trust.